Hello everyone, this is Hanja, Chinese Characters Bible, represented by Hanja Bible YouTube channel, number 29. This character, meaning under or below. Let's look at this character together. On the index, we are here now. The reason why I show you every time we look at each character, another character uh, is where we are, and show you all the characters we will learn is the combination of the characters we have already looked at. Okay, this character is a three strokes character, not a radical basic Chinese character anyway. It's a combination of these two characters, all in same shapes. Korean Hanja, Chinese traditional and simplified. In Korean language, we teach are ha. Are ha. Are means under, below. Ha is the pronunciation of this character in Korean language, and Chinese pronunciation is xia, xia, having tone number 4 value. Okay, and the symbolic and signatory interpretation and analysis of this character is this is the meaning of drawing a dot on the mark below to emphasize the obvious meaning of below or bottom, again in a strict and decisive manner. Do you remember the meaning of this character? You already looked at the marking below, mark below, and the dot is a dot. So this character here is mark below, and you add a dot here under to emphasize the obvious meaning of below or bottom, the meaning of this character, again in a strict and decisive manner. Okay, that's the symbolic analysis of this character. And the dictionary meaning of this character: under, underneath, below, down, inferior, bring down. These dictionary meanings are remained in Korean Hanja dictionary and Chinese dictionaries. And hidden meanings you need to remember is a being lower graded, a beings subject to death. Okay, this character reminds me of the Bible verses. Please just try to read these Bible verses for you to feel this character, the hidden meaning. Okay, and why the tone number 4? This character has as a value, it's the downside marker penetrated on the land from up to down in a clear, decisive and strict manner, so tone number 4. Okay, from up to down, you made a mark, right? From up to down, you made the mark in a clearly and decisive manner again. Okay? Yeah. Just like this. So you can remember quite easily this character has the tone number 4 value. What do you think about all of these interpretations, including the tone number principle application? All the lecture materials, I have left the link for you to refer to. Okay, thank you very much for your listening to the end, and see you next time for another character. Thank you. Have a nice day.